anyone want to celebrate with me tomorrow? Yeah, man, I got there at Portsmouth. The area from 12 till 6 in the evening. From 12 o'clock in the day. We just out there going with my nice birthday self tomorrow. So anyone care to come and meet the Queen and want to come and celebrate with me tomorrow, Saturday, the 2nd of December. I don't know if I'm here, if it's alone, I go on and meet the tree. Queenie, hello, darling. But my birthday, so you don't know me, I'm 54. Okay? And I'm not being no one. Me not take no more body. Me stay free, finger pretty, and disengaged on birthday Indian. So right crazy. You know, she put up on the plane. Big back with the chair. And I'm coming. I'm coming to Jamaica for my birthday. Happy birthday, Bethan. May the good Lord bless you.
For our customers seated in the World Traveller cabin, we do have an extremely busy flight today. So if I could please ask you to make best use of the available space for your hand luggage. If you are travelling with 2 items of hand baggage, your smaller items must be placed underneath the seat in front of you at this time, leaving the overhead locker space for larger items for customers who are still joining us. Once everyone is on board, and of course if there is then space in the overhead lockers, then please do feel.
Happy birthday, Bethan. May the good Lord bless you December 1st. May the good Lord bless me December 2nd. Today is your birthday, Bethan. Hip hip hooray. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Bethan. Me there airport. There airport. Airport. Me there airport. Happy birthday to you, Bethan. Me there airport. Blessed love, say your sky bless. Give God thanks for life. Today I hear one, tomorrow man. Queen is such a power. Blessing.